परमात्मा से है मेरी आत्मा, अब चल कर ले मिलन, अब चल कर ले मिलन, अब चल कर ले मिलन। परमानंद का अनुभव कर, ओ परमानंद का अनुभव कर, तू धन्य बना जीवन। ज्योति बिंदु, ज्योति बिंदु परमात्मा से है मेरी आत्मा, अब चल कर ले मिलन, अब चल कर ले मिलन, अब चल कर ले मिलन। प्रभु की प्राप्ति का मूल मंत्र है संपूर्ण समर्पण, है आत्मा चल प्रभु को सौंप दे तू सारा जीवन। देख प्रभु तेरे निकट विराजे, ओ देख प्रभु तेरे निकट विराजे, कर ले अभिवादन। ज्योति बिंदु, ज्योति बिंदु परमात्मा से है मेरी आत्मा, अब चल कर ले मिलन, अब चल कर ले मिलन, अब चल कर ले मिलन। परमानंद का अनुभव कर, परमानंद का अनुभव कर, तू धन्य बना जीवन। ज्योति बिंदु, ज्योति बिंदु परमात्मा से है मेरी आत्मा, अब चल कर ले मिलन, अब चल कर ले मिलन, अब चल कर ले मिलन। ज्योति बिंदु के प्रेम सिंधु में चल आज निहाले, परम पिता का प्रेम पात्र बन कर तू शुभ वर पाले। किरण किरण को निरख नयन से, ओ किरण किरण को निरख नयन से, को जा मन में मगन। ज्योति बिंदु, ज्योति बिंदु।
All of us should aspire to attain, because it is said in order that we come in this world, we don't like sadness, but it happens. We perform things that may not be, that sometimes we might know we're doing something wrong and we still continue to do it. It happens. So Sadhguru Kabir Sahib says that he has 5 pillars that where the life or the soul of this can be guided, or we as human can be guided to cross this Bosala. And what are those 5 pillars? One, truthfulness, honesty. In one place he says, a Saki that says, Sach barabar tak nahi, or jhoot barabar paap, jaake hirday sach hai, taake hirday aap. There's nothing greater in this world, Sach barabar tak nahi, that is nothing greater than when someone is truthful. Or jhoot barabar paap, but there is nothing more sinful than when someone is dishonest or tells a lie. So he says that in the heart, where the truth lies, there also God resides. Okay? So the second thing is love. Now in this world we just say that we really in love, we have, but it's so short-lived. Sometimes, I laugh sometimes in the papers, you might read this and say, man kills lover. He didn't really like that person. This love that he speaks about in this world is, if you really examine it, is I'll put it in one simple way for you. True love is to say that when someone go the whole distance in marriage, then you experience what they call true love. Say, in between there you might have differences or so and things, but when one can go through that true love, it's like a plant, that it takes time to grow, right? And then it matures and then bear the fruits. The fruits don't bear one time, it matures first, right? And then then you get the fruits of it. So love is along that line, that way you go the whole distance to really experience what they call true love. They say that love is not something that you could go and buy in the shop, or you could have it stored in a vacuum, or in some way, or it's something that you have to grow and inculcate and mature and grow together. And then you will experience that. So the third thing now is obedience. Of course, obedience in the sense of that you always try to follow the rules of doing something. Try your best to walk with the rules. The rules has nothing for you to look back on. If you're breaking the speed limit while driving, I just say, you always look out for the police. But if you were driving within the speed limit, you have no reason to be looking anyway. You might be more focused on the road. So you might prevent something from happening. Okay? After obedience, so don't forget that is a very important rule that we must adhere. So in the spiritual sense, obey your dharma, your teachings. Understand you try to get to the root of your teachings so you can better understand it for yourself also. All the values that go with your dharma, follow those. That is the main rule. And then there is this thing we call unity. Unity is also a very key element of growing. Why? It helps you to develop into a better person. Sometimes, we might be by ourselves and we feel we independent and we don't want to mingle with others and whatever. But it is so important for all of us to mingle, experience each other. That's the way you learn, that's the way that you develop yourself. Experience that, get that nice feeling about, I've met this guy or this person and this person said so and it's seemingly been to be the correct thing. Or the true thing. So get that feeling and then you better yourself. And then finally, ahimsa. Ahimsa means non-violence. Don't get violent. There's one place that Sadhguru Kabir Sahib says, he says, Gyani mare gyan se or Vyadha mare tir, Satguru mare sabd se kehe gaye Das Kabir. Gyani mare gyan se, that if someone doesn't have enough knowledge or sense, they could fight to kill him. Or Vyadha mare tir, but if someone has a little sense, they might still fight, but they might not fight to that extent. You sense, how much sense you have and how much output you have. That could cause you to do things. So it says, Vyadha mare tir, that sometimes you might still fight, but you didn't reach to that extent. But what about if you didn't fight at all, what happens? Sadguru Mare Sabda says, he says that Sadguru teaches is that you don't fight at all. Or you fight your wars, yes, but you fight your wars, Sabda means with praise. So if you fight your war with praise, then you become a winner. But if you go to fight physically, you still might not win. Well, there's no winner there. Okay? So it's so important that these 5 pillars that we, Uncle Sam lived his full life, So he okay now. We are still on the route to reach that stage. And we have to prepare ourselves for that. That when that time comes, we then have to be looking back on our shoulders. Okay? Bole Sadguru Kabir Sahib Ki Jai. So I hand over back to my friend here who will take us while I bring some other routines.
Okay, so this is something,
सो परत दुख पावही हर सिर दुनि दुनि पछिताय हर काले कर्म ईश्वर ही मृत्या दोष लगाय सुनो शिव शंकर रज हमारी हमको केवल आशा तुम्हारी सुनो शिव शंकर सुनो शिव शंकर अरज हमारी हमको केवल आशा तुम्हारी सुनो शिव शंकर तुम ही हमारे सिरजनहारे तुम ही करत जीवन तुम ही साथी, तुम ही जग जात जगत विधाता, तुम ही जग जाता जगत विधाता। सुनो शिव शंकर, सुनो शिव शंकर, अरज हमारी हमको केवल आशा तुम्हारी। सुनो शिव शंकर, मुक्ति के दाता हे जगदाता, मुक्ति के दाता हे जगदाता। उसको आत्मा को वैकुंठ मिले लो, उसको आत्मा वैकुंठ मिले लो, उसको आत्मा वैकुंठ मिले लो। सुनो शिव शंकर, सुनो शिव शंकर, अरज हमारी हमको केवल आशा तुम्हारी। ओ सुनो शिव शंकर, सुनो शिव शंकर, सुनो शिव शंकर।
ओ संतन करही आरती, सनकादिक और से कहे कबीर सुर नर मुनि, ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश। Yeah. सत्यनाम सत सुकृत, सतरत हत कामी। सत्यनाम सत सुकृत, सतरत हत कामी। विगत कले सतधामी, त्रिभुवनपति स्वामी। ओ जय जय सत्य कबीर, ओ गुरु जय जय सत्य कबीर। ओ जयति जयति कबीरं, नासत भव वीरं। ओ जयति जयति कबीरं, नासत भव वीरं। धारो मनुज शरीरं, शिशुवर सरतीरं। ओ जय जय सत्य कबीर, ओ गुरु जय जय सत्य कबीर। कमल पत्र पर शोभित, शोभाजित कैसे। कमल पत्र पर शोभित, शोभाजित कैसे। नीलाचल पर राजित, मुक्ता चिंतामणि जैसे ओ जय जय सत्य कबीर ओ गुरु जय जय सत्य कबीर. Anybody who would like to come and do Aarti, please speak to listen. Yeah, come on. Paramamanohar Rupam Pramajita Sukhrasi Paramamanohar Rupam Pramajita Sukhrasi Ati Abhinavaya Abhinasi Kasi Purvasi O Jai Jai Satya Kabir O Guru Jai Jai Satya Kabir Ansauvaran Karan Pragati Tanadhari Ansauvaran Karan Pragati Tanadhari Parak Rupa Bihari Abhisalaya Bhikari O Jai Jai Satya Kabir O Guru Jai Jai Satya Kabir Sahib Kabir ki aarati अगणित अगहारी साहिब कबीर की आरती अगणित अगहारी धर्मदास बलिहारी मूढ़ मंगलकारी ओ जय जय सत्य कबीर ओ गुरु जय जय सत्य कबीर ओ गुरु जय जय सत्य कबीर. Guru त्रैकालम् जय जय श्री गुरुदेव श्वेत मुकुट संक्रांतित मस्तक पर सोहे गुरु मस्तक पर सोहे शुभ तिलक युत भृकुति लखी मुनि मन मोहे जय जय श्री गुरुदेव जय जय श्री गुरुदेव गुरु जय जय श्री गुरुदेव भारत रूप कृपालम् मुझे त्रैकालम् जय जय श्री गुरुदेव हीरामणि मुक्तारत भूकित उर्देशम् साहिब भूकित उर्देशम् परमासन सिंहासन परमासन सिंहासन स्थित मंगल रेशम जय जय श्री गुरुदेव करुणारुण खंजांगी तन मन विषकारी साहिब तन मन विषकारी तम आज्ञान प्रहारी तम आज्ञान प्रहारी न की द्वितीयति भारी जय जय श्री गुरुदेव जय जय श्री गुरुदेव गुरु जय जय श्री गुरुदेव पारक रूप कृपालम् मुझे में त्रैकालम् जय जय श्री गुरुदेव साहिब कबीर की आरती जो कोई गावे साहिब जो कोई गावे मुक्ति पदारथ पावे मुक्ति पदारथ पावे मोने नहीं आवे जय जय श्री गुरुदेव जय जय श्री गुरुदेव पुराण ब्रह्माले हो वही जानी ज्ञानी पुराण ब्रह्माले हो वही जानी ज्ञानी जाके हुकुम पवन और पानी जाके हुकुम पवन और पानी बकी गति कोई बिरले जानी ज्ञानी आरतिया पूरन ब्रह्माले पहचानी ज्ञानी आरतिया
Javad Mahanji, Javatis. Personally, I knew Brother Sam for many, many years. He played organ for me. I did remind him for the country. And he was my very good friend and my brother. The end of the world, I asked to listen to bhajans. But certainly Sam was a gentleman. He lived a devoted, clean, pure life. And certainly he made thousands of people happy with his voice. And left this world and left a legacy. So I sing the two bhajans. Awakul Gamarani Wa Rumaga Prabhu Awakul Gamarani Waru Awakul Gamarani Wa Rumaga Prabhu Awakul Gamarani Waru. The soul of Brother Sam is saying, Lord God, you are most compassionate, grateful and merciful indeed. Take away my doubts, my errors, and my sinful actions. My matige nama lina uchi buddhi. My matige nama lina uchi buddhi. Karma ke gun sabama roma prabhu. Our gunamaga pranivaru. The soul is sane, vibrant body. I was dull-witted. I had no high intelligence. I was committed plenty of faults and errors. Destroy my karmic action from me. Dekhi bhausagara hota tragasya juko. Dekhi bhausagara hota tragasya juko. Begi laga wo kinara maga prabhu. Our gunamaga nivaru. Our gunamaga nivaru maga prabhu. Our gunamaga nivaru. Lord, well body, this world was so beautiful. It was so lovely. I got tied up into it. Now, dear Lord, take me across this ocean. Lakachaurasi jiva laga jaga. Lakachaurasi jiva jaga laga. Sabke sankateta rumaga prabhu. Awakun amaga rati paru. Avagunhama Ranivaru Mahaprabhu Avagunhama Ranivaru. The soul is saying, oh dear Lord, the 8,000 species of life, save me from birth and death and gave me salvation. I should never return here again to the pains and strains of birth, sickness, old age, and death again. डोलिया हमारे सज गए सखिया देश पिया को जाना है डोलिया हमारे सज गए सखिया देश पिया को जाना है. The soul is addressing the 5 elements, saying, my chariot is ready to take me to my maker. एक सखी पूछे कैसे वो गोटेश्वा कवन मुलोकाय थाना गए अब के बिछुरे कब मिल गए हो कब लग होगा आना है डोलिया हमारे सज गए सखिया इस पिया को जाना गए. One of the elements required from the soul, where the country, where situated, with this departure, when we will, or when we shall meet again. Sagarapara Gamamo Deshava Jagate Avega Parawana Yajimilan se Milirego Sakia Lautake Pira Nagi Anaga. The soul is saying that country is very far across the ocean. With this meeting, let us meet, and we shall, or we never meet again. Bhaye Bando Kutuma Kabila Nayake Pandame Bhuknana Hai Ekadin Sabako Janaga Sakia Japa Avega Paravana Dolia Kamare Sajigaye Sakia Sapia Ko Jana Hai. The soul is saying, oh elements, brother, friend, and family is only delusion. When in this world we get tied up in delusion and we forget we will have to leave this day one day. We will have to leave the day one day when the time comes. Brahmata Agiti Sauda Bitavo Dharmata Agiti Sauda Bitavo Yotagare Man Manage Hote Bera Atauti Jare Akirato Pacha Chanage Dolia Kamare Sajigaye Sakia Sapia Ko Jana Hai. The soul is saying, O element, discard all doubts and errors from you. Perform good action and deed. Place your mind into the Lord. Time is lasting. When its time comes, certainly you are going to regret bitterly. You are going to regret bitterly. Dear brothers and sisters, having gained the great glorious human structure, devote yourself to God, work by honest means and make wealth and comfort for yourself, enjoy the happiness, and ask the Lord when time for death comes, let his soul in his body painlessly as a ripe fruit falls from a tree, and attain you, never return here again, so the pains and strains of birth, sickness, old age, and death again. Devotees, I say short prayer and finish. Santa Saran Saranam Gati Tumari Patila Ko Hamari Dukha Sankat Haro Prabhu Asha Gai Hamari Sukha Sampati Mile Adhikari भाव सागर से लियो उबारी सगाई शुक्र भगवान की जय अब नाथ करी करुणा भी लोक हो देवो यग पर मांगवो जेहि जोनि जन्म हो काल फट बसतना Ram Padayan Pragavu. Lord God, you are most compassionate, graceful, and merciful indeed. We are assembled here on this very sad, solemn occasion with humility and devotion, dear Lord. We pray unto you, grant us this boon and give this soul peace, rest, and salvation. And we have unflinching faith in the lotus feet of the Lord. Holy, mind you, thank you for this opportunity.
So now we have them. Thank you. Additionally, I have the daughter of the late Jiwan Singh. He was also a renowned classical singer, and she's going to sing a bhajan for us.
Namaste. Pleasant good afternoon. Assalamualaikum. I don't have much to say because we have a lot of guests here. But Baba would have said most of it pertaining to Papua, California. Or, as most of us will say, Ustad late Sam from Komodo. A couple of times I would have gone up to Bandara and a few occasions to sing alongside him. So, having said that, I know he was a very great person. I don't have to say much because most of you all, a lot of you all, not only locally but internationally, will know that. So, on behalf of my family and myself, condolences, and of course to Mama, and she's again to his family, abroad who's viewing. Right now, I will just render two very short songs. One, in the Kabiri side, just says the elements of the body when it passes on. Guru to mile bhamakate chote Brahma ki jaan chale jaat neer bithai rok sake nahi jaat हमके उड़ावे चदरिया चलन की बिलिया हमके उड़ावे चदरिया चलन के बिलिया चलन के बिलिया चलन के बिलिया चलन के बिलिया हमके उड़ावे चदरिया चलन के बिलिया प्राण राम जब निकट के भये सबके लागे अधिरिया प्राण राम जब निकट के भाई सबके लागे अधिरिया अब प्राण राम जब निकट के भाई सबके लागे अंधेरिया चलन के बिरिया भाई बंद सब ताकन लागे अब ताकन लागे हाँ ताकन लागे भाई बंद सब ताकन लागे अब ताकन लागे उलट गई दोनों नैना सवरिया उलट गई दोनों नैना सवरिया नैना सवरिया आँखें उड़ावे चदरिया चलन के बिलिया चलन के बिलिया. So my second selection is one of that great Kabir Das and a very popular bhajan and Koi Nal Jaye Dhanband Ki Gathariya. And when I go with him, and most of the time I will sing this song alongside, especially like in Bandara and so on. बांध की कतरिया हो बांध की कतरिया अरे कोई नाल जाइए धन बांध की कतरिया कोई नाल जाइए धन बांध की कतरिया जब यमराज पलंग चढ़े उठावे चार पहर मिनितात उठावे फूक पिया जैसे पन की कतरिया कोई नाल जाए धन बांध की कतरिया अरे कोई नाल जाए धन बांध की कतरिया कहत कबीर सुनो मैं साधु कहत कबीर हा कहत कबीर सुनो मैं साधु कहत कबीर सुनो मैं साधु कहत कबीर सुनो मैं साधु तूती गए सब मगना उतरिया तूती गए सब मगना उतरिया रे कोई नाल जाए धन बांध की कतरिया आ कोई नाल जाए धन बांध की कतरिया.
Again, we want to thank you very much for singing these two lovely versions. In our midst, we have, well, I recognize two MPs that we have. MP Rudranath here, and we also have Christine Niwalo Sahale. So, first, I would like to call Ms. Christine, Mrs. Christine Niwalo Sahale. Christine, Christine. Yeah, I'm very sorry about the mispronunciation.
That's all right. Once you make it check, it's spelled correctly. Sit around. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. To the wonderful, beautiful families, Cynthia, and all the children I know that you're watching live. And I want to tell you that it has been such a pleasure for me to be a part of Sam's life. On behalf of the political leader of our great party, the UNC, Kamala Prasad Bisasa, I would like to extend condolences to the family and the relatives. I want to tell you the little time that I've been here in this constituency, Sam has been such a great influence. When I heard of his name, the Lion of Komodo, I said, well, this must be a scary guy. Because when you think of a lion, when you think of that roar, it would instill fear in the bravest of animals. But as you had indicated earlier, Pundaji, that the heart, when you speak truth from the heart, it comes out with love. When it comes out from your mind, it's a different thing. And so when you spoke with Sam, he was always so gentle, so loving. And sometimes I didn't know if I was the MP or Rudy, because every time I came here, he would always ask, Rudy, come in? And it was always a joke. But he will be sorely missed. And I want to thank you all for being here to comfort Cynthia and her family. The greatest thing that we could ever do, as Pundaji had indicated, is to be unified at this time and to offer all that you can. She needs your strength, our strength. She needs our love. She needs hope. And I pray that you will have peace, a peace that passes all understanding in your life. And I'll be here, I'll visit you and I'll call you. And let me tell you something, Cynthia knows my number. She calls me. She don't have water, she calling me. So I know, Cynthia, you can always call on me. And I give God praise and thanks for the life of Sam. And may his peace, the peace of God be with you all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, my parliamentary colleague, Christine Niwalo, and of course, Also present here this morning is former MP for this area, Chris Jurai. And if I may take the opportunity also to recognize Mr. Bodram Hulas, Bandagi Sahib, and Sidaram, and good day to all. The last conversation I had with the late Ustad was on the eve of Father's Day. Not knowing that it would have been the last conversation that I would have had with him. But it was one of joy and one of reflection and one of contentment. And sometimes in life, when you speak of someone, you have to trace a journey in life. My journey began on the 23rd of July 1969. And I do not know if it was by divine intervention, but on the 12 days, one of my cousins remarked and reflected that my complexion was as black as the late Isaac Yankaran. And my cousins on my father's side, my late father's side, never called me by Rudy or Rudranath and so on. They always called me Yank. And as my journey in life continued, it took me to Rienzi Complex in Couva, headquarters of the Old Trinidad Sugar and General Workers Trade Union, of which I emerged as a leader at one point in time. And it was at Rienzi Complex I interacted with numerous classical singers of Trinidad and Tobago, and it is there that that relationship began with Uncle Sam and Ustad Sam. And in our home, my late father was a fan, a real fan, as if I would say that was in his DNA. And he did not say to me that I must love classical singing. Never one day that he said to me that I must listen to classical singing or I must love classical singing. But it was transferred into my DNA that I love classical singing even before I went into working at Rienzi Complex and I got to know him. And over the years, on and off, we would have interactions and so on. And when our youngest daughter was born on the 31st of August 2003, he came at what they would call Ichati, at the 12 days, and he and the late other giant of classical singing, Ustad Jamir Hussain, both of them teamed up at our home at Gandhi Street in Caroni, and they performed until, and they thrilled everyone because when we took the opportunity, we did not leave out a house. Everyone was invited to our home, and he and Ustad Jamir Hussain, they thrilled everyone. And all who are paying tribute here to him this morning and will continue to pay on it because his voice and his music and his legacy cannot be erased. And it will live on time immemorial. And if it is something I want to say is that whilst I am deeply pained, we are very happy, my wife who is here also, we are very happy because I can remember bringing her to this home to meet him. And he was peeling, Auntie can remember he was cleaning a bowl of same. And she took it from him and she started to clean the same for him that day. And he said to her, that you remind me of one of your daughters, of his daughters. And from that day, he adopted her as his own daughter. So that was the bond. That was the relationship we had. And as you heard from Christine, my colleague, if she merely popped in here, he wanted to know if I was coming. And he was glued to the parliamentary channel. I can tell you all that too. Anytime we talk, he say, I see you on TV, boy. He had a way, his distinct voice, he would say. And he was a husband of approximately 63 years to Auntie. And if any of you, right in that house, on the couch, they told me about the love story and how he came to marry, and that bond and that relationship survived, that love, that today we see the tears, the emotion signifying that bond and that relationship that they shared over the years. And of course, he was a dear father. To his children who are not here with us today, be strong, and you will return home at an appropriate time to continue to be that support to your mother, and of course, to the immediate and extended family. He was a father-in-law, he was a brother, and of course, they are all giving that support to the final rites, the Antyeshti Sanskar. He was a brother-in-law, he was a grandfather, he was a great-grandfather and an uncle, and of course, to all of us, an Ustad and what we would call the lion of classical singing. So, my dear brothers and sisters, as we are deeply pained this morning, he was a contented man. He said to me that he's ready to go on to the other side whenever he is recalled from this earthly existence. And he had the strength, he had the character. He was devoted to Sant Kabir Das. He was devoted to Dharma. He was devoted to his religion. And always he explained, I did not understand Hindi too much, but he always had the opportunity and he would explain, and he prided himself in terms of his knowledge in his religion, his knowledge in his Sanatan Dharma, and what he meant to each and every one of us. And of course, we would always remember him in that iconic white hat, that iconic white pants, the shoes shining, the gold chain, and outside of whatever jersey and so on he would have that he donned on whatever day he was singing, wherever, whether it was Rienzi Complex, whether it was Kinapa, whether on what stage, what Ramain, what Bandara, wherever he was an exemplar, a father figure to all of us. And I read a number of posts in tribute to the late Ustad, and I could see that a very young fella who remarked that his music, his voice could light up any party. And my eldest daughter, who is a student at St. Augustine Girls High School, I could always remember her still reflecting and singing. And she said that the girls was to always sing Lalana Kusi in Form 6 and Form 5 and so on. That is the impact. That is the large in life character who the late Ustad was all of us. He crossed the divide in terms of age and creed and race and class and whatever. And that is what he must be remembered for. And of course, he was an ambassador and an icon beyond the shores of Trinidad and Tobago, wherever the name Sambodram went in person, he left a legacy that I cannot say it, but little could walk in his shoes in terms of what he meant to classical singing and the fraternity of classical singing. And I would urge all of the young classical singers, you cannot walk in the shoes of the late Ustad Sambodram, but play your role in continuing to uphold this art form and ensure that classical singing does not die in upholding and honoring his legacy. May his soul be blessed to continue its journey, and may members of the immediate and extended family and the community of Kumoto and Trinidad and Tobago and beyond these shores continue to be proud of the late Ustad Sambodram, and no one can take the place of the Lion of Kumoto.
Thank you very much, Rudy. So now at this point in time, I just there's this favorite Saki of Sadhguru Kabir Sahib that says, "Dukhme sumiran sab kare, sukh mein kare na koi. Jo sukh mein sumiran kare, to dukh kahe hoi." But what it means? Uncle Sam here is a song, he used to sing this. That was one of his opening Sakis. I myself was a lover of classical music. Even when I got married with him, Uncle Sam and Baliram Bala, they came the prayer night and sang for us. Okay, during the prayer night. And that was about 33 years ago. Also, I remember we had this program in Diwali Nagar, and we wanted to raise some funds for the Kabir Association. And when I did ask Uncle Sam here that how about you coming and doing some singing for us? And he volunteered himself. He came and he sang that whole program for us together with Mahan Baliram Bala, and they sang the whole program for us free. And it was like a donation for us. We were so happy that we were able to raise some funds. So we, Dukhme sumiran sab kare, that it's only when we are in trouble, then we look in all the help we can get. Dukhme sumiran sab kare. When we in trouble, that's the time we wanted to try to see how much prayers we can complete. Sukh mein kare na koi, but when we are happy, we just forget we have to say a little prayer somewhere. So this is just a gentle reminder. Jo sukh mein sumiran kare, that if you keep yourself in tune with prayers all the time, you leave no room for sorrow or difficulties to come. Okay? Remember that. And then at this point in time, I just want to I want to just sing this little short version of that Uncle Sam is to sing with us. Yes, so while we have recognized another Ustad in the singing fraternity, Budram Pulas. Okay, so let us sing this version. All those who know, I want you to join me with this little version. I'm going to sing it in old Sadwan style, right? Sadhu style. Sant milan ko jaiye, taje mamata abhiman, jo jo pag aage dhare, tyo tyo jag saman. O mere ओ मोको कहा ढूंढे बंदे मैं तो तेरे पास में, मोको कहा ढूंढे बंदे मैं तो तेरे पास में, ओ मोको कहा ढूंढे बंदे मैं तो तेरे पास में, नाथीरथ में नामूरत में नाया कंस निवास में, नाथीरथ में नामूरत में नाया कंस निवास में, नाया कंस निवास में। ना मंदिर में ना मस्जिद में ना काशी कैलाश में, मोको कहा जूने बंदे मैं तो तेरे पास में, मोको कहा जूने बंदे मैं तो तेरे पास में, ओ मोको कहा जूने बंदे मैं तो तेरे पास में। ना मैं जप में ना मैं तप में ना मैं व्रत उपास में, ना मैं जप में ना मैं तप में ना मैं व्रत उपास में, ना मैं व्रत उपास में। ना मैं क्रिया कर्म में रहता ना ही योग संन्यास में, मोको कहा ढूंढे बंदे मैं तो तेरे पास में, मोको कहा ढूंढे बंदे मैं तो तेरे पास में, ओ मोको कहा ढूंढे बंदे मैं तो तेरे पास में। नहीं प्राण में नहीं पिंड में ना ब्रह्मांड काश में, नहीं प्राण में नहीं पिंड में ना ब्रह्मांड काश में, ना ब्रह्मांड काश में। ना मैं प्रकृति पवन गुफा में सब श्वासन की श्वास में, मोको कहा ढूंढे बंदे मैं तो तेरे पास में, मोको कहा ढूंढे बंदे मैं तो तेरे पास में, ओ मोको कहा ढूंढे बंदे मैं तो तेरे पास में। खोजी हुई तुरंत मिल जाऊं एक पल की ही तलाश में, खोजी हुई तुरंत मिल जाऊं एक पल की ही तलाश में, एक पल की ही तलाश में। कहे कबीर सुनो भाई साधु मैं तो हूँ विश्वास में, मोको कहा ढूंढे बंदे मैं तो तेरे पास में, मोको कहा ढूंढे बंदे मैं तो तेरे पास में, ओ मोको कहा ढूंढे बंदे मैं तो तेरे पास में। Just bhajan that the song is telling us that we all looking all over for Bhagwan, or God. We're looking far distance and and we're training our minds far. This Bible is telling us that God is not far from us, He is right within us. Just search within and you will find all your answers. He is within. Because He says, the Bible says, Na tirat me, na murat me. He is nothing, no tirat, no murat, no mandil, no masjid. He is nowhere. So we searching all over there for Him, but He's not there. Where He is within each and every one of us. Okay? Boli Sadguru Kabir Sahib Ki Jai. So at this point in time, we have our Ustad here, Udram Pulas, who will say a few words for us. Our time is not so, much time again, so Sahib, you can say a short minute.
Bhagavad Sahib. Well, what I must tell you that in 1988 I sat with this gentleman. He did Krishna Radhika Rani, a very great song. You may have the experience because I'm still going on a heavy treatment, antibiotics. I want to recognize Mr. Rudy, Honorable Rudy in the audience, and Mr. Pandey, Subhash Pandey, Honorable, welcome. But this man, when I was singing Ayodhya Kila, he said, "But where you get that idea from?" I said, "You Vedas have, you come alone, Akirimi, I Akirimi die. And when you come into this world, one day you have to go. Just as Isaac Chakran said, Ilaga fil no way kadam. Ye dunya chhod jana hai. When you come into this world, one day you have to depart. Just as Sukhdev Suprat, ek din hame bhi jana hai. Jagat chala jata hai, all the songs telling you that one day you come here, one day you have to leave. And when I was writing the song, Ayodhya Kila, he said to me, "You know lots of Hindi, but I never sing song in English. And I will never sing any song in English. Because I read from the Ramayana, I can tell you how certain things with Kabir Das, who was one of the great poets. And Kabir Das say, Kabir खरा बाजार है मांगे सबकी खैर ना तो किसी से दोस्ती ना तो किसी से बैर. The blessed words of Ustad Sam Budram. He was judging me in 1990 when I took the championship of Ananyankara in Kotrad Party. And I said, oh, I wrote my song Karavana Party with me. Nobody can read what I have in my mind. And all the songs that I wrote, over 200 songs, all is in Hindi, and all the bhajans and all the chutney and so on. But if you're a Hindu, you must know your religion, you must know your prayers. You learn the Dhari people, Johndas and so on. And learn to sing the Kabir bhajan, as Sahib has just done. So that God will bless each and every one of you. May the soul of this great Ustad, this great legendary, this great, great gentleman rest in peace. Bangi Sahib.
Okay, thank you very much. Now we have this is brother-in-law of Sam. He will just like to say a few words. If you can come this way.
Thank you, Pandit Sitaram Namaste. First of all, my sister Cynthia, we grew up so closely, but she always reminds me, I was a baby, I used to sleep with her. And I slept with her, she used to always take care of me, oil up my foot, send me to school, put my shirt in my pants. And we grew up so closely that when I heard that she was married, I nearly went mad. But then what we found, we had a brother-in-law in Sam. Sam is indeed, I've had many experiences with Sam. And Sam was a genuine father. Sam used to come in my office, San Fernando, and everything he wants to do is for children. As a matter of fact, the children also had loved him so much that 1 week ago, they wanted to come back home. So I applied to the Minister of National Security for exemption. He said that there were a long line and we have to wait. But then Sita called me. Was it Sunday? I should go and see Papa. Go and see Papa. You can week. I said we cannot go. Monday was death. Sam was a decent man. Sam was an honest man. Sam was a loving man. Sam living up here, and we down in South Princestown and Lengua and all these places. And if the slightest thing happened in our family, Sam and my sister, Cynthia, used to be there. I myself, when I began to come up here, wondered how we could do 2 o'clock in the morning. I did 4 hours to come up this morning. But Sam, not only as a father, as a husband, he has been a genuine, a loving, a caring, a dedicated husband to my sister. She has never one day during the marriage ever complained to us one thing against Sam. She was always talking good about Sam. And when a wife could do that for 40-something years, indeed, that is a manifestation of the character of the Mandela line of force. 63 years. So Sam, my dear brother, we were supposed to come and have a line after COVID, keep the freezer locked from it till then. Sam, we'll miss you a lot, but not only we will miss you, but the country will miss you, because you have made such a great contribution to this society that you'll be immortal. This morning when I was going home, my friend told me, he said, long after Sam is gone, Sam's voice will be there for us. And indeed, that is so. And before I close, I want to apologize for the absence of Bansdale. Them can't drive like me, so they will come by the permission signs. So, Sam, we say, may your soul rest in peace. But thank you. Good on.
Okay, so now we have we want to thank Mr. Pandey I did not recognize you, I'm sorry. But I know you. I knew you all from many years. Okay? So thanks for this little lovely message. Thank you. So now we have yes. Yeah, so we have the eulogy will be said by Ina Budram, the niece of Uncle Sam. So I'm just going.
Peter Ram, and good morning everyone. Firstly, I just want to say, as I reflect, who knows, and we don't know where we will be when a new day comes, and we didn't know this morning would be like this, and what will be happening here, as well as on Monday morning when Dada, as I called him, I had known him for the past 46 years of my life. So I just want to reflect and try and make it short as possible. So I recall him, we were 5 years old, my sisters and I. They now reside in New York with his other daughters and son. And I know they are all looking on. And I know I represent you this morning as a daughter. And I was privileged to do what I could have done for Dada with Mom and all his helpers going to the hospital for the past couple of months. It was hard seeing him going and coming, and we just hope that, yeah, he going and coming every time, but we know sometime, he will maybe not come back, Mom, and I want you to remember that, right? And he's going with Baba, right? And I want you to remain strong. You have Christine, you have Reshma, Lisa. Fran was a good helper. Sorry, I was supposed to acknowledge, and I'm so sorry. Sahib this morning, Mr. Budram, who last is here. Mr. Honorable Christine. Sorry. Christine Novado in our midst. Mr. Rudy Narsingh, and I saw Mr. Krish Duraj as well. I hope I didn't leave out anybody because I'm just trying at this point. Okay, so I represent his daughters, and I was privileged to do what I could have done for him, being daughter of my father here and mother who have stood by him right through the end. We were privileged to do what we could have done for him. We were here all night, and I kept telling him and holding his hand, and he kept calling me, he asked me to spend the night with him that night. And I had to leave my children, but it was quite okay. I did want to sacrifice that, so I left my daughter with my mother, and at between 3 and 3:30 that morning, he called, and he called my brother. So this is what he wanted, and I had no other way to do it, because I kept praying and with him, and I said, Dad, you cannot call me, I cannot help you anymore. God is, when he wanted to help you now, and I kept saying, say Ram, Lord Hanuman, Jai Hanuman. See Jesus, see all of them, see that light, right? So I know you're going with him, and I just want to say I was so happy and so privileged to what I could have done for you. I know probably I don't have this in sequence, but I remember being 5 and 6 years old, and Dada we were living at the big house, which is now broken down, and all of the families, the brothers and their children were living there, and we used to get a ride with him to school, Kumoto ROT school there, because my dad didn't have a vehicle, a van. When I was 11 years old, I remember he got a van, so we used to get a job with Dada to school, my sisters and I. When he was carrying Mom and the children. Mom, I think they were working at textile, I'm not sure, I can't remember the time. And he would take Annie and Baby to work in El Dorado. Right, and there were evenings we would go with him, and I just remember being in El Dorado, that area where they grew up with their families, and we would collect them from work. So this is what Dada used to do, his duty as a father, and he always kept telling them, and show that respect. And even when they were telling me this morning, 5 o'clock this morning, we were on the phone when I got up, and I said, hey, let's put this thing together, I have to do this, and they helped me, and we were reflecting all these years. And he's 86, almost 87 he would have been, and
they say life is short. In 6 million years we have seen like plenty, but it's short. And you know, when I look across, I live right across the road, I'm thinking, you know, wow, you know, up to last time when I left here about 12:30 this morning. You know, there wouldn't be any data to come and look for, and just look across the road and look and see the window open and if he's there or if he's at the front of the gallery. Right, so this is memories we will live with and we will cherish. And what I enjoyed most doing for him was bringing cake and ice cream for him and I know. And this is what we did the last Father's Day. So Samantha, I know you're listening as well. And this is what you wanted me to do, and I told you this is what I would have done for myself as a person and as his niece, right? So just on behalf of his children as well, who were telling me how much love and respect they have for their dad, and they were talking about when he was singing in New York with Uncle Dino, who is his second brother, Uncle Vishnu, was it his third? Right. You know, they had some good times in New York singing together. Right, and I spoke about Daddy. And then Uncle Vishnu was telling me a little story this morning. Well, Dada became like a father to all of them by the time he was 19 or 20 years old. So Uncle Vishnu said he remembered him as, he said he was just afraid of him. He was like, if he was going to smoke, he said he was afraid he could never have done something like that, right? And you know, he supported the family, and this is where we are today. And being as great as he is, what I want to say too, I was privileged to speak about God with him last week. You know, when I came and I saw him last week sometime, I noticed the eyes changed last week, Wednesday or so. I said, oh, it looked like our grandmother because she had blue eyes, not knowing, you know, the changes physically in his body. Okay, Mom? Okay. Alright, so I just want to thank everyone who helped us in taking care of him. All the past couple of months, all the support, family support and help back and forth, all his workers. I acknowledge Christine. Right, he said she was God sent, and he made sure she was by his bedside for the past week, sorry. Alright, to his children, I know you all are looking on, and I represent you, and yes, that's what I could have said from my heart. I know you all are looking on, and I did what I could have done as best as he wanted me to do for Dada, and we will always remember him as Dada. Thank you.
Okay, so at this point in time, what I will do is we will do the closing because we have a little casa and a little bit of singing that will take place before the wedding close, right? So, just with one little thought of Sadhguru Kabir Sahib before we close. You know, he put it nicely and says, Nasaki, Sab dharti kagaj karu, लिखनी सब बन राय और सात समुद्र की बसी करूं गुरु गुना लिखा ना जाए. Now Kabir philosophy is based on Guru's teaching. Gurus, everything there, you do everything through your Guru. So in this Saki it says that sab dharti kagaj karu, that if one should take all of the earth and turn it into paper, Likhni sab ban rahe, and one should take all the trees in the forest and turn it into pen. Sata samudra ki masi karu, and they take the 7 oceans of this world and they turn it into ink. Guru guna likha na jaye. Still, no one can still finish right the greatness of the Guru in your life. So your guru is your key to salvation. And do all your worship, they say that your parents are your first guru. So you have to start from riding. There's no way far you have to go, you go by you start from riding. And then anyone, the word guru and ru, guru means darkness, and ru means light. And what happens? Anyone who enlightens you to further your knowledge is a guru to you. That person becomes like a guru to you. So you adore and you honor all those during your life with that in mind. And in that way you can never put a wrong foot forward. So with these few words, I say Bandagi Sahib, Sitaram, Namaste, Salam. Let's bow our heads as we do a little closing. After we do the closing prayer, for those who would like to have a little view, if you can arrange in a little orderly manner, and just and go around the next view, right? You will be guided. So let's go on next. O Mala Topi Sumirani Satguru Dio Bakasis Pala Pala Guru Ko Bandagi Charananwa Usis Bhau Bandhan Dukha Pariharan Amar Karana Shari Adi Ugali Apo Charo Yoga Kabir Charo Yoga Kabir Charan Bandagi Charan Seva Acharan Guru Star Sahib Kabir Ke Bandagi Pamche Uttara Sabar Kehe Kabir Sarod Dharadas Charan Bandagi Guru Prakash Jani Vyani Naga Nirvani Kuthari Pandari Kaddarshan Char Sampara Bhavandwari Char Guru Vans Payalis Ile Sakal Hinspe Bandagi Sahib Sitaram Mansa.
So devotees, Ustad Sam Budram was a teacher to many, and today he is even teaching us this great lesson that one day we will all have to leave and go. So I will do this song that will tell us that every day, one day to come, we will have to leave and go. With the accompaniment of the Tasa group, I'll do this song for my Ustad. O Sadhana Pule Pulane Hai He Yaar Sadhana Savana Hoy Sadhana Je Jagat Me Ek Din Marna Hoy अरे पहले गुरु के गाये पहला गुरु पिंड रचे जहान अरे पानी से गुरु के पिंड रचे प्याला का बोले निर्भान और रहना नहीं देश बेराना है रहना नहीं देश बेराना है रहना नहीं देश बेराना है बेराना 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 है बेराना 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 है रहना नहीं देश बेराना है रहना नहीं देश बेराना है यहाँ संसार कागज की कुड़िया यहाँ संसार कागज की कुड़िया ये भूल गए भूल जाना है भूल गए भूल जाना है रहना नहीं देश बेराना है रहना नहीं देश बेराना है बेराना 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 है बेराना बेराना उस्ताद रहना नहीं देश बेराना है रहना नहीं देश बेराना यहाँ संसार कार और जाकर यहाँ संसार चार और जाकर आगे लगे बढ़ जाना है आगे लगे बढ़ जाना है और रहना नहीं देश बेराना है रहना नहीं देश बेराना है एक कहत कबीर सुनो रे भैया साधु कहत कबीर सुनो रे भैया साधु भजन से everything in this world is false. So what is the truth? Kabir Das tells us. Uncle Sam used to tell me, hey, Kahat Kabir Sunure Baisaru, Sadguru Naam Tikana hai, Sadguru Naam Tikana hai, Rahana nahi de sabirana, Wahana nahi de sabirana. Yes, Rahana nahi de sabirana hai, Rahana nahi de sabirana hai, Rahana nahi de sabirana hai, Rahana nahi de sabirana hai. यहाँ संसार है कांटों के बारी, यहाँ संसार है कांटों के बारी, उलझा उलझा मरी जाना है, उलझा उलझा मरी जाना है, और रहना नहीं दे सबेराना है, रहना नहीं दे सबेराना है, रहना नहीं दे सबेराना है। उस्ताद कौन तकवा नगरी आय अब लोता हो, कौन तकवा नगरी अब लोता हो, अब लोता अब लोता अब लोता हो, अब लोता अब लोता अब लोता हो, कौन तकवा नगरी आय अब लोता हो, कौन तकवा नगरी आय अब लोता हो। चलन काठ के बानर कटोरा, चलन काठ के बानर कटोरा, तपर दुल्हन सूझल हो, तपर दुल्हन सूझल हो, कन भगवान नगरिया अब लोता हो, कन भगवान नगरिया अब लोता हो, अब लोता अब लोता अब लोता हो, अब लोता अब लोता अब लोता हो, कन भगवान नगरिया अब लोता हो, कन भगवान नगरिया अब लोता हो। आए अमराज पलंग चली बैठे, आए अमराज पलंग चली बैठे, नई नया सोवन सोधल हो, नई नया सोवन सोधल हो, कन भगवान नगरिया अब लोता हो, कन भगवान नगरिया अब लोता हो, कन भगवान नगरिया अब लोता हो, अब लोता अब लोता अब लोता हो, अब लोता अब लोता अब लोता हो, कन भगवान नगरिया अब लोता हो, कन भगवान नगरिया अब लोता हो। देखो न भगवान नगरी से यहाँ वहाले
Don't cry. You're not wrong. Don't leave me here to suffer to take me and take me to take me. Don't worry about that. Yeah, I think so. How much I love you 63 years together. Yeah, how about the stairs? Don't see anything else. I don't know. I don't know how I was remain without seeing you. I don't know how I can remain. Anyway, I told the day. All I was sitting out on TV. Station, you want to put it on for you to watch.
आए भी अकेला, जाए भी अकेला, 2 दिन की जिंदगी है, 2 दिन का मेला, आए भी अकेला जाए भी अकेला। 2 दिन की जिंदगी है, 2 दिन का मेला। में दिन की जिंदगी है